Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Bowen, Texas on this Ranger RCI 99N2. Bo, got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. Let's get right to it. Start with RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Got you set about 4 watts. That'll be plenty low for what you're needing to do. Just roll it all the way up. 50 watts. Hello, 1 2 1 2 audio. 100 watts in the corner on the average power. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello. Actually, we're still in average, so it's 125 bird is what it's actually doing. Peak power. Hello. And it follows suit with a 250 watts of PEP. Alrighty, Bo, ready to get this Ranger RCI 99N2 down your way. Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.